Hey guys, welcome back to Hot Wheel Dad, and today I wanted to take a little bit of time to get you some content that you all have been asking for. I did get out today and I filmed a little bit of drive-bys with a Corsa Xtreme Exhaust on the F150. I got some takeoffs, I got some drive-bys, I got a few of the videos that you guys have been asking for on the Corsa Xtreme for the F150. But first, before we get into that content, I wanted to give you guys another update on the channel. I have officially hit 300 subscribers, so I wanted to say thank you for that. I'm going to post up a little graph here of how the channel's been kind of doing over the last few months or so. You guys are watching, you guys are liking, you guys are interacting with me, and so I greatly appreciate that. Alright guys, so let's jump right into my YouTube analytics here. But before I do, I wanted to let you guys know that I actually do all of my editing and everything on my iPhone. So whenever you see my videos on YouTube, it's all edited on my iPhone. But alright, so let's jump in. Let's refresh the dashboard here really quick and get into my analytics. As you can see here, I got 306 subscribers. Let's jump into my watch minutes here. Okay, so check this graph out. Let's refresh it and let's go to the last year. And as you can see here, my watch time over the last year has been really good. It's jumped up from April of last year. You can see it jump up quite a bit. But as of today, 231,000 is, thank you so much, you guys. One of the things that YouTube needs in order to have a full channel with monetized videos and everything is 4,000 watch hours, and I'm almost there, guys. YouTube does do it by minutes, but if you go ahead and divide that by 60, it's 3,800. So 200 more hours and I'm there, guys. And so I wanted to just start this video off with some gratitude and thank you for watching and hopefully I'm keeping you entertained with all the content that's coming. guys do want to see some more content, or you guys have some requests or whatever you guys want to see, whether it's the F150 or whether it's the GT500 or whether it's even in the Lexus, my wife's Lexus, you know, I'll go ahead and get some videos for you guys. And if you guys want to hang out, meet up, if you're in SoCal, I'm definitely always down to do that. We can get some content together, and yeah, we'll do what we got to do to make it through this whole epidemic that we have going on. Hopefully you guys are feeling good. Hopefully you guys are staying well and hanging in there and finding things to do, getting outside, hanging out with the kids, whatever you guys got going on. I posted this to my social the other day. Had my daughter out here drawing with her chalk, and the sprinkler washed it away a little bit, but I did a little bit of art here. You know, you give a 38-year-old some chalk and they're gonna go to town on the driveway. So hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully you guys stay tuned, like and subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next episode. All right, peace.